Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm thrilled to introduce our full stack development course designed to give you a deep dive into the world of web development from start to finish. Full stack development is all about understanding both the front and back ends of a website or application, which means you will have the power to build a complete functioning app. In today's tech driven world, this skill set opens up exciting career opportunities and makes you incredibly versatile. Throughout this course, you will gain hands on experience with tools and languages essential in the industry. Think of it as a building house. You will be both the architect and the builder, responsible for everything from the design to the foundation. Let's dive in. Our course is structured into two main parts: fundamentals and advanced tools for web development. In the fundamental session, we will start by laying a strong foundation covering essential web technologies that you will need for any project. You will learn how to build static web pages and styling and understand the core of programming through JavaScript and Python. Then we will move to the advanced session where you will tackle more complex modern tools like React, Node.js, and MongoDB. With a project based curriculum, each step in your career will be linked to real world applications. For example, you will create a personal portfolio, develop APIs, and build dynamic web application project that not only strengthen your skills but also make your portfolio stand out to future employers. Okay, what we learn in fundamentals, let's see. In the fundamental part of our course, you will start by exploring HTML and CSS, the core technologies that structure and style every website. Think of HTML as the skeleton and CSS as the skin and clothing. For example, if you are building a personal blog, HTML will help you structure your post and pages, while CSS will bring it to life with colors, fonts, and layouts. Next, we will move to Bootstrap. With its pre built design components, you can make your website look professional and mobile friendly quickly. Imagine creating a portfolio site that looks polished on both desktop and mobile with just a few lines of Bootstrap code. Then JavaScript Basics will introduce you to programming fundamentals. JavaScript allows you to add interactivity like making a button color change when clicked. We will also cover Python programming, focusing on backend essentials. For instance, you might write code to collect and process form data, which is crucial for building server side applications. Finally, Git will introduce for version control. Picture this: you are working on a group project and you accidentally delete a crucial piece of code. With Git, you can easily restore previous versions, making teamwork and experimentation easier and faster. In the advanced part, we dive into the powerful tools and frameworks that modern full stack developers rely on. First, there is React for front-end development, which lets you create higher interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Imagine building a weather app that instantly updates the display as you click forecast for different cities. On the back end, we will use Node.js and Express, which allows you to build fast and scalable server side applications. For instance, you could set up an API to handle user login details, validate them, and send a personalized welcome message. Lastly, we will cover MongoDB, a NoSQL database perfect for storing and retrieving data efficiently. If you have ever used an app that saves your preferences like Netflix recommendations, it's likely tied to a similar database. By the end of this module, you will know how to connect front end and back end seamlessly, creating dynamic applications that could handle real world needs. Okay, what is the market scenario for web development? The demand for full stack development is on a ready rise as companies seek professionals who can handle both the front end and back end. Businesses today are highly web dependent, from online shopping to banking, and need developers who can build and maintain both sides of these applications. In fact, the job market for full stack skill is expected to grow 13% by 2028. This growth reflects how valuable full stack developers are in creating end to end solutions. From startups to large enterprises, there is a strong and steady demand for these roles, making full stack development a smart and stable career choice. Our course is structured with industry stands in mind, so you will learn exactly what companies are looking for. We focus on tools, languages, and frameworks widely used across the tech industries like JavaScript, React, and MongoDB. This means you will gain experience with technologies that development teams use daily. We build project based learning rather than just theory. By the end of the course, you will have hands on project like interactive web pages, functional APIs, and manageable databases ready to showcase. This approach ensures that you're not just learning concept, you're applying them and build a portfolio that demonstrate your expertise. You may wonder, why do we prefer the MERN stack, which means MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js over other full stack technologies like Mean or Flask? The answer lies in the JavaScript based ecosystem, which makes learning and transitioning between front end and back end smoother, especially for beginners, as we already learned JavaScript basics and essentials in the fundamental session. With the MERN stack, you are well prepared to build scalable applications. And what does it mean by scalable application? Imagine an e-commerce website where you as a developer handle both the product catalog, front end in React, and back end functions like handling orders in Node.js. This unified approach make MERN efficient, versatile, and highly relevant for industry needs. You may be wondering who in the industry actually uses the MERN stack. Well, quite a well-known companies rely on MERN technologies to build and manage their web applications. Some of them are Facebook, Netflix, Instagram, and Uber Eats. These companies uses the MERN stack because it's highly scalable, efficient, and adaptable, making it ideal for modern web applications that need to handle lots of users and real-time data. By mastering MERN, you will have the skills to work on applications like these, which are known for being responsive, faster, and user-friendly. Whether you have studied computer science, engineering, or come from a non technical field, this course is designed to be accessible. Our curriculum starts from the very basics. For example, even if you have never written a line of code, you will learn how to create your first Hello World web page on day one. This means that regardless of your past experience, you will be able to follow along and build up your skill progressively step by step. Let's see what are the career options in full stack development. Full stack development opens the door to several exciting roles. You could become a front end developer or a back-end developer, or you might go to the route of a web application developer, bringing together both front-end and back-end expertise. And of course, you could be a full-stack developer with the versatility to handle any part of the web development process. The demand for these roles is high and they often come with competitive salaries that you can see here. So, by learning full stack development, you're setting yourself up for a career with both stability and growth potential. Our commitment does not end here. We provide placement assistance to help you secure a job after you complete the program. From resume building to interview preparation and even job referrals, we are here to support you every step. We start by helping you craft a professional resume that stands out. Many students struggle to highlight their skills and projects effectively. So, we provide personalized guidance on how to structure your resume, emphasize relevant skills, and showcase your project experience. For example, if you have built a full stack web application during the course, we will show you how to describe it in a way that resonates with employers, mentioning the technologies you used and the value you created. Next, we prepare you for technical interviews through mock interviews and coding challenges. Our instructors and industry professionals will conduct practice interviews, providing constructive feedbacks to boost your confidence. Additionally, we cover common interview questions for MERN stack roles, giving you strategies to answer technical questions effectively. This way, you will be ready to discuss projects, solve coding problems, and explain your thought process, all skills that employers look for. We actively collaborate with our industry partners to provide job referrals for our students. As you near the end of the program, we will connect you with companies looking for skilled full stack developers because we focus on building relationships with employers who trust our curriculum. These companies often look to our graduates to fill their entry level positions. To give you a head start, we also offer paid internships through partnership with various companies. These internships allow you to apply your skills in a real world setting, gain valuable experience, and often lead to full time offers. Our goal is to help you build both your resume and your confidence as you transition from student to working professional. Our support does not end at graduation. We support ongoing guidance until you secure your position, including help with follow up applications and interviews. If you face challenges along the way, we are here to support you, whether it's through additional mock interviews, resume updates, or new job leads. Especially important for students who are new to tech. By helping you refine your skills, present your project effectively, and build confidence for your job, ensure that you're ready for the job market. With your Stock expertise, you will be well equipped to apply for roles that require full stack development skills. Okay. All right, everyone. Now it's time for how you will be learning and working on projects throughout this course. We will be using Visual Studio Code or VS Code, which is one of the most popular code editors used by developers worldwide. So just share me the screen of VS Code platform. Okay. When you open the VS Code platform, this is what you will see. First, I'm going to create a file name index.html. I already created two new files. One is index.html and style.css. In HTML file, when you type HTML, just a minute. Just by typing HTML, you will see a pre-filled HTML template. So you don't have to set up anything manually. I'm going to just remove these comment. Okay. We have this. So now what we are going to do is just see for today, we are going to just see two elements. One is heading element and another is paragraph element. Okay, we use h1 tag for heading element and p tag for paragraph element. This is the widely used element in HTML. So using these tag, we are going to create hello world. First, I'm going to create a heading element which says hello world. Okay. I'm going to name this element, which is also useful to create style while using CSS file. So I'm going to name this as heading element. Okay. See, I created two elements. One is heading element and a paragraph element. I already named this element a heading element, and I'm also going to name this paragraph element. Don't worry, you will learn about all these elements in detail soon. For now, just enjoy the result. So, just see um, how it looks in the server. See, just simple as that. So I'm now going to give a style for this element and see how it looks. For that, I have already created some code. So I will just copy and paste it here in the CSS file. Now I'm going to link these two files. Don't worry, these are all pre-filled codes, so you don't need to memorize or make note of it. Just save this by clicking Ctrl plus S and we will see how it comes. I'm just going to change the color. See now, now I changed the color for paragraph element into blue. We also changed the color for heading element as well. You can see the difference here. I add style